Welcome to One Bag Travels. In this video, I'm going to share with you my best tips on what to take with you on a long flight. Coming up. If you've ever been on an airplane, you know that long flights can be cold, dry, long, and boring. So you're going to need something to keep yourself warm and comfortable, something to eat and drink, and definitely something to do. The first thing you're going to want to bring is a small bag to put everything in. This can be something like a small backpack or personal item that's small enough to fit in the seat in front of you. And the key is to pack this bag before you get on the airplane so everything is easy to access. You're probably going to want to sleep on your long flight, and like a movie theater, it's probably going to be cold in the airplane. So the first thing that you should definitely bring is something warm, like a light sweater or jacket. If it's cold, then you can wear it, and if they end up giving you a blanket, then you can use it as a travel pillow. The next thing you want to bring is a pair of comfortable shoes. You're going to be squished in your seat for hours, so you want your feet to be comfortable. And also, bring a pair of warm, comfy socks so you can take your shoes off, and definitely if you're wearing sandals. The next item is an eye mask. A lot of times they give you a cheap set of these on a long flight, but I wouldn't count on it. These things are cheap and lightweight enough, it's worth just getting your own set. And the same thing goes with earplugs. A lot of times they'll give you these on planes, but I think it's worth it just to bring your own pair. The last item of comfort to bring is going to be a neck pillow. I kind of go back and forth on the neck pillow issue. They have pros and cons. And the pro is definitely they're comfortable and they help you sleep. But the con is you have this giant travel pillow that takes up a lot of space, and now you have to carry it around for the rest of your trip. Now the next category is something to eat and drink. Long flights generally provide meals, but it's a good idea to bring a couple snacks just in case, so you don't get stuck spending $14 on the cheese sampler. You also want to bring a giant water bottle. You could also buy one in the airport, or you could bring something that's reusable. You can use it over and over again, and like this one, packs down small when you're not using it. Next, you're going to need something to do on your long flight. I would recommend bringing a small travel organizer or mesh bag to put all your small items and electronics in. In this little pouch, I keep my passport, I have a little notebook, and pen and pencil. You're going to want to keep your passport on you at all times, and the pen is used on the airplane to fill out immigrations and customs forms, which they usually give you before you land. Next, you're going to want to bring a set of headphones. I usually bring a small set of earbuds with me because they're small, but if you have the space, a nice set of noise-canceling headphones can be really nice. You're also going to want to take all your chargers with you. They usually have USB plugs in the seat, but I would also bring an external battery pack in case the USB chargers don't work. Next, bring a book, or better yet, an e-reader or a tablet. These tablets are totally worth it. You can store hundreds of books on here, music, movies, etc. And make sure to download everything before you get on the airplane, because you can't assume that they're going to have Wi-Fi or that it's going to be free. And also, the movie screen in front of you sometimes doesn't work, or the headphone jacks might not work. Next, a few miscellaneous items to bring on your next flight. A little bottle of hand sanitizer or some wet wipes. Airplanes aren't cleaned nearly as often as you think they should be, so bring something to clean your seat and tray table. One of the advantages of the wet wipes is you don't have to put them in your liquids container. Next, bring some Kleenex in case you have a runny nose, and then some kind of lip balm. I like to bring these tubes with a twist-off top so that they don't melt and leak in your travel backpack, especially if you're going somewhere hot. Next, bring a mini first aid kit. I love these little mini pill bottles. You can get these at the sample section at Target. I like to have a couple of medications in case I get a headache, upset stomach, or have a runny nose. And you definitely want to plan ahead and make sure that you have any prescriptions or vitamins that you're going to need for the duration of the flight. And lastly, bring a pack of gum to help pop your ears when you're taking off and landing. I hope you enjoyed this video on the tips on what to bring on your next long flight. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and thanks for watching.